Step one of the replacement process will be to remove the existing furniture. When you get to the store, you'll see the furniture with an adjustable bed and mattress installed in the center of it. We're going to want to remove the footboard and then slide the bed and mattress out to enable access to the back corners and control panel. Remember that the bed will be inside the furniture, so you're going to have to disconnect it from the outside. The side rail will slide up, cleats come off. You can see these are the types of cleats you have. Go to the other side, Alex. Just going to do the other side. Then you can pull the footboard away. I'll help you. And we'll set it over here and move on. The next step will be killing the power to the furniture. There's a control panel that you'll have access to once the bed has been slid out, so you have access to the back here. You'll turn that off. You'll also disconnect both wires. There's a square plug and a round plug on each side. Both will be disconnected. You'll do that on the other side as well. You'll now do it for the other side as well. Now, both the side wing and rail have been disconnected. Once all the cables have been removed, you can slide the side wing up to disconnect. There's 2 silver brackets and 1 black bracket on these, just to be aware of. You can set that to the side. You'll do the same for the other side. Or you can take the side rail off first if that's easier. It all depends on the circumstances. Last step will be removing the side rails. Those slide off as well. You can see here's a good shot of the cables and brackets. You'll do the same for the other side. And make sure the headboard's secured when you pull it off. Now you can go to the next step, which will be assembling the new furniture.